First question is you have to write down the in a roster form. That means in the form of roster or list. Okay. So you have to send me the answer in a chat box for the question. So first is set of even numbers. Yes, we have completed first question. Still I'm taking one more. Okay. Even number. Set of even numbers. Send me the list. Very good. Himangshi. Very good. And whatever you are writing, the name, you are giving the name to the set, it should be in a capital letter, beta. Yes, very good. Okay. So, no. Shardul, even number list is not getting ended. So, suppose I am taking here E for an even number. So, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Yes. You must have to write down the set in a curly bracket. Okay. So, this one is done. Now, next. Second question, we were on a second question that this symbol is for what? What is the meaning of this symbol? Very good. Belongs to. The symbol means belongs to, that you are belongs to the St. Anthony School, is it? That is the meaning. So suppose I am giving you a number, a particular number that is rational number. Suppose rational number means it is in a form of numerator and denominator. General form is Q upon Q. This is the general form of rational number. Okay. General form of rational number is rational number. General form of rational number is P upon Q. In this denominator, Q should not be equal to 0 because it is a denominator. Okay, this is what the rational number, and this rational number list get denoted by the capital Q. No, Hemangshi, just wait. I'm not asking that one question. That one is done. Now the next one is about the belongs to. Here, P upon Q means the number which has numerator and denominator that we called as a rational number, and they are belongs to the set Q. जैसे कि natural numbers, we know that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. So they are denoted by n. Same like that, 4 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 4, like this, they are belongs to rational number. They are belongs to rational number. Now suppose we are giving you a question, 4 upon 3 is belongs to Q, that is rational number. How you can read it? 4 upon 3, how you can write it down? 4 upon 3 belongs to the set Q. In this manner, you can write down the answer in a symbolic format or a symbolic statement. This is what the symbolic statement. Okay. Or you can write down this statement like this. Yeah, yes, you are right. That is 4 upon 3 is an element of Q or set Q. Okay. This is meaning of belongs to. Now next is, now we know that the list is, yes, you can write down belongs to. Now we know that natural numbers, it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All the positive numbers are there. Now suppose I am giving you one negative number. It's not belongs to. Okay, to natural number. How will you write down this? How will you write down this? -2 does not belongs to natural number or yes to set n. Yes, natural number or set n. Okay, so this is belongs to and not belongs to. This is done. Now next question. Write two set by listing method and by rule method. You have to write down two sets, two for listing and two for rule. Okay, so first of all, I am going to write down the listing method. Listing or roster form. Roster form. The first example for a roster form I am giving here, that is set A is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Roster form is done. Now you have to write down the set builder form of the same. Set builder form. What are they first? First of all, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What are that? They are what? They are what? Squares. Yes. They are what? Squares. This 1 is a square of 1. 4 is a square of 2. 3, 9 is a square of 3. 16 is a square of 4. And 25 is a square of 5. Okay. But as we have to write down this all numbers in a formula or set builder form. How will you write it down? We will write down the same set A and curly bracket, open the curly bracket, and every element, what we call the every element, we are considering the every element X. Every element is X. How is that every element? How it is? It is such that this every X is the square of a number. Is a square of a number. Till here you understood? Yes, Shivam. Is a square of a number. Okay. And this every number is a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every number, this number, they are natural numbers. So obviously this n, small n, this small n is belongs to what? Capital N, that is natural number. The small n is belongs to natural number. One more condition is there. How many numbers we are using here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are less than 6. So n is less than 6. Less than 6, no? डायरेक्टली लेस देन लिया है, लेस देन इक्वल टू नहीं लिया है. लेस देन इक्वल टू लेते थे तो 5 हमें मेंशन करना पड़ता था. ओके, यस. हाँ Burvi, it's actually, we know that as we are mentioning here natural numbers, so obviously the natural number starts with 1. So there is no need to mention greater than 0. Natural number को हमें mention करने की जरूरत नहीं, that we have to put it greater than 0 because already they are greater than 0. Natural number starts with already with 1. So there is no need to mention here greater than 0 or greater than 1 or equal to 1. ऐसा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. Only you have to mention it is less than 6. or either you can mention here if you wanted to take less than or equal to sign, so you can here put the 5. But it's better to write down less than 6. Less than 6 because all numbers are less than 6. Yes, Avdut, good morning. Okay. So I hope you understood this one. Okay. Likewise, we will take the second list. So this is the one set of a roster form, and this is one of a set builder form. Now the second example we have to give. Now I'm giving you an example in a list. You have to make the set builder form of that. Here is the list. Second example for a list, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Or we can take here 3, 6, 9, 12. Now make the formula of this. Formula or set builder form of this. It's like every number is a what? 3, 6, 9, 12. What are they? What are they? Multiple of what? Multiple of 3. First of all, every element we called it as a x. No? Every element is called x. और वो x कैसा है? How is that x? Is such that this every x is what? Is a multiple of 3. Means 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Like this, no? Means 3 into number, 3n. 3 into number. Then this number is what? Belongs to what? This number is belongs to? This number is belongs to which number? Natural number, whole number, integer, rational number. Which number? Very good, Nirmiti. It's a capital N, that is natural number. And what is the range of that number? What is the range of that number? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is less than, these natural numbers are less than 5. Less than 5 because still 4 we are taking. Yes, so this is the set builder form. Done. Every element is x such that this x is multiple of 3. Yes. Yes, Ashwin. And this n is belongs to natural number, and this n is less than 5. Understood now? Okay. Now next question, that is the fourth one. Write the following set in a listing method. Now you have to send me the list of some questions. Okay. Here already some questions are done. Just like a sensory organ we already took. Prime numbers we already took. Now the next question I'm giving you. You have to write down, you have to make the list of the word that is complement. Make the list or in a listing form of a complement. What will be the, you can use here any letter and form a list of this. Give me the answer. Very good, Hemanshi. ऐसा तो नहीं. Okay, it's right actually. What is the condition when we are writing the list of a word? What is the condition? It should not get repeated. Okay, so C we are taking, then O, M. M is already for how many times? 2 times. Then P, L, E, and N, then T. So this is what the list. Okay. So here fourth question is also done. Now the last question. Last question. Now the last question here. Now I'm giving you a question like a third one because already the list is done. So third question, that is C is given. You have to make the set builder form of this. C is a SMILE. What will be the set builder form of this? It's a simple. इसके पहले मैंने ऐसा क्वेश्चन लिया नहीं, so that's why I'm going to explain this one. It is actually the every element we are showing is like a X. How is X? X is a letter. Every X is what? This all are the X. They are what? A letter. They are what? A letter. In which word? In a, sorry, they are a letter of which word? Of word smile. The word smiles. Every X is a letter of a word smile. Okay? ये number में नहीं है, so we have to write down like this. Set builder form. Yes, it's a word of smile. Yes. Now next, suppose again one more question is given like that: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I am now going to write down all the dates. How can you write down in a form of set builder? We know that every day is a X. Every day is a X or Y or Z. So this X is nothing but what they are. Every X is a day of week. Yes, it is a day of week. Okay, understood? Whenever the numbers are not there, so we have to solve the question like this. Now, one more. If the list of a set is given like AET, so then how it is? This is the every, yeah, very good. This is the every element is suppose Y. Every time we are taking small x. Now I am going to change it Y. Every element is Y, and Y is what? Y is a letter. Y is a letter of which word? Of word. Which word they are making? They can make the letter T or it. They are making T or it. Okay. I hope you understood. Just a minute. Huh? Okay, so here it is done. Here 1.1 is done. Is anybody having any doubt? Ask me in the last 10 minutes. Okay. Now the next important points are here 1.1. We solve the questions on the basis of how to write down the set. In which type we can write down? We can write down in a form of list that we call a roster form. And second is rule form, rule method or set builder form. On this basis, we solve the first exercise. Now the second one. Now second important points are which types of set. As we write down all the sets in a curly bracket. Okay. So in this curly bracket, what are the types? What are the types? Yes, very good, Veda. आपको तो सब पता है. So first is singleton set. Going to ask you question about this. Okay, don't worry. Second is empty set. Third one is finite set. Fourth one is infinite set. And last from this point is equal set. What we called it? One is equal set. Now, whatever is write down, whatever the numbers in a two curly bracket. Avadut, I am already speaking in loud. I am speaking louder. It's better if you are increasing the volume of your mobile. So whatever the number or elements in a set, curly bracket set, from that we can decide what type of set it is. Singleton, empty, finite, infinite, equal. Now, singleton. Am I audible clearly, all of you? Aditya, this is for you. Students, am I audible? Yes. Ashwin is saying yes. Yes. Shikha is saying yes. Vedant is also saying yes. Clearly, Aditi is saying clearly yes. That means, am I audible clearly? Maybe the issue from your side. Okay. Singleton. The itself in a name, we can find it out what will be in a set. Thank you. Thank you. They are saying I'm audible clearly. Singleton means how many elements in that set? Singleton. How many elements should be in a set? One. Very good. Single element, that means one. Okay. So what is the example for a singleton set? Suppose I am giving you a question that even prime number, just wait. One letter beta, one element, not word. Even prime number. How many are the even prime numbers? That day I explained to you, no? Yes, it is 2 only. So suppose the question is like even prime number. So we are just writing down in a set only 2. So here only one element is there, single element. So such type of set we called as a singleton set. If only one element is present, if only one element is present in a set, then and then only we call it as a singleton set. Okay. Now next is about the empty set. Empty set. Empty set means in that set nothing is there. You can mention it like this, or you can mention it like this. Okay. Zero element. Zero element, that means we don't have to show that zero. Never show the anything in a set, that we call the empty set, or we can call it as a null set. Getting? Suppose the question is like this, that you have to write down the element, sorry, alphabet before A. Alphabet before A. Suppose one question is given to you, that be all English alphabets. You have to write down all English alphabets appearing before A. What you will write down? Do you have any letter like this? Do you have any letter for this? No. So what you are doing, just write down the set, or you can write down here of 5. Okay. Set is always, Riya, set is always shown in a curly bracket, not in a simple bracket. If you are write down in a simple bracket, you will get 0 because it is not considered as a set. Okay. So this is what the empty set. This is what the empty set. I hope you understood. Next point is about finite. Yes, Nirmiti, what is your doubt now? Nirmiti? You have to write down all ovals from English alphabets. What you will write down in a set? You have to write down the vowels from an English alphabets. What you will write down in a set? Which are the vowels? Yes, write down in a set better. Write down in a set, curly bracket. Yes. A, E, I, O, U. Can we count them? Can we count them? Yes. How many are they? They are 5. And remaining are the consonants. They are 21. Is it? It's okay. It's okay, Ria. So, if we can count the numbers or we can count the elements from a set, then and then only we call it as a finite. What we call it as a finite. If we can count the elements, then we call it as a finite set. Okay. Now the next is infinite. Infinite set. Now the set of natural number or set of whole number. Whole number is denoted by W. Set of whole number. What you will write down in a set? It is shown by W and it starts with 0. Whole number starts with 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are not able to count the all whole numbers. Yes, because they are infinite. Can we count them? No. If you are writing, if you are able to write down till here 9999999, still they are going on. Yes, so we can count them. We can't count them. So they are called as a infinite set. They are called as a infinite set. Concept of finite, infinite, empty, singleton is clear. Okay. Now the next point is about the equal set. Which are the equal sets? Which are the equal set? Now, in the 1.1, we took an example. एक example हमने लिया था. What? Avdut, if anything is not there in a set, then we can call it as a empty set. If nothing is there, nothing to show, nothing to write down in a set, so that is called as a empty set. Now, just in the 1.1, we took an example that is A is a set of X such that I'm reading this. How to read this? Concentrate on. A is a set. A is set of X such that X is a letter. X is a letter of word X is a letter of a word T. और मैं दूसरा लेती हूँ that is B is a set of Y such that Y is a letter of word eat. Okay. Now in these both cases, if you are going to make the list, what you will get in the both cases? In the first, what you will get the list? What you will get the list of the of the word TEAT? What you will going to write down in a list? T, comma E, comma A. Yes, because repetition hai nahi. So TEA. And second one, that is the set B. What you will get from the set B? That is the letter of the word eat. Again, you will get E, A, T. Just focus on the elements of the both set. TEA or EAT. Both are equal. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So we can say that set A and set B are equal sets if their elements are same. Arrangement doesn't matter. Arrangement doesn't matter. That E is came first, A is at the last. Don't think about that. The letters or elements are the same, no? So we can say that set A is equal to set B because the elements of the set A and B are same. So they are equal sets. What we called it? Equal sets. Okay. Now on this basis, I am going to show you one video. Just a minute. Huh? Is it audible? No? Okay, I'm trying it again. Now it is audible.
Still not? How it is possible, beta?